puso ay buksan mo, pakinggan ang awit ko. Si Jesus ang daan, Diyos ng kaligtasan, papasok sa puso mo kung ika'y nagbabago. Ngayong puso ay buksan mo. Ika'y nakatulog pa, sana ay gumising na. Si Jesus sa'yo ay nag-anyaya. Sa lamig ng gabi, ikaw ay tinawag mo. Gising na at manalangin ka. Puso ay buksan mo, pakinggan ang awit ko. Si Jesus ang daan at Diyos ng kaligtasan, papasok sa puso mo kung ika'y magbabago. So ay buksan mo. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Beautiful, beautiful day. We're happy today, it's your birthday. We love you in Jesus our Lord. We love you, we love you, we love you with all of our hearts. Today is the day of your birthday. We love you in Jesus our Lord. Someone is praying for you. Remember, someone is praying for you. So when it seems you're all alone and your heart would break in two, remember someone is praying for you. Someone your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows. It's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most special day. We can hear the voices of your dearest brethren singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
On behalf of United Pentecostal Church, Kirk family, we would like to greet a beautiful, lovable, generous, very kind, very supportive mommy. A happy birthday. Happy birthday!